Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top AI meme tokens. We look at the top 10 by market cap. We're going to start with FARTCOIN, followed by Turbo, Gold, ZEREBRO, AI16Z, Act, Luna, ELIZA, where am I? VVAIFU, and then we'll end it with Oli at number 10. Let's get straight into it. FARTCOIN. So here we are for FARTCOIN. Anything for FARTCOIN? Okay, just by looking at the charts, right? This looks to me like a potential ending fifth wave diagonal in the making. So in my opinion, the end may not be too far away for FARTCOIN. Because every time you form a new all-time high, you want it to just start zipping up, right? You don't want to see things like this. You want it to just continue higher and higher and higher. So once you start seeing corrections, it's like, bro, we just broke it. What are we correcting? Yeah. I'm not saying we can't go any higher. It's just that this was a consolidation, right? And there was a break that came. So we would be anticipating a much more stronger rally if it was really truly bullish. So for FARTCOIN, there is a potential, I mean, if we really do drop down towards, let's say, 80 cents, right? This whole thing could become a head and shoulders. Whole thing is a left shoulder, is a head, right shoulder. Danger, danger. Stranger danger. And after that, we could be collapsing lower. Possibly towards, my guess is about 34 cents. So 120 to 34 cents is going to be a brutal 70% towards the downside. Not saying we can't go any higher, but I don't see the chart pattern for a bullish continuation, and neither do I see a bearish reversal yet. So stay safe. Turbo against USDT is the same freaking thing. If you look at Turbo also is, you want to see things like this, right? Very volatile moves towards the upside. You don't see a slowdown, a slow zip up and then zip up. Yeah, we have formed a potential triple bearish divergence. Although we're still above the skinny pink line, sure, we could still hit higher, but I feel like the strength is decreasing and a potential reversal is in the cards for Turbo. We might drop all the way to 0.001. We're at 0.01. So this could be a brutal 90% drop. Right? If and when we cross the skinny pink line, and if and when bear season starts, it could be really truly brutal because there's zero support here. All the way to here. Then only there is some support. Right? So this will be 0.001. This will be a 90% drop. So again, if you are ever in Turbo, I would encourage to learn taking profits because you do not want to go through a roller coaster all the way up and then all the way down. You want to see all your profits turn into dust. So that's my take for Turbo. Goatsius Maximus. So Goat is fairly new. And Goat, nothing much for us to work with. Yeah, again, no strong opinions for Goat. ZEREBRO. So we look at it on DEX tools. For ZEREBRO, there is real danger. Real danger in the sense that if we were to drop lower here and we get a right shoulder, this whole thing could be a whole big left shoulder. This whole thing could be a head and then a right shoulder. That's it. We collapse lower. Potentially to 10 cents. These are all very round numbers. 0.001, 0.01, from 46 cents, yeah, potentially to 10 cents. Right, sub 10 cents, I would say. 9 cents, 8 cents, even 7 potentially. But I would say, yeah, sub 10 cents if we get a head and shoulders. A head and shoulders will be a clear bearish reversal for ZEREBRO. And ZEREBRO is actually tradable. ZEREBRO USDT. Oh, on purpose in... Oh, it's everywhere. Okay, great. We could be taking shots for ZEREBRO. Depending on the situation, depending on the chart pattern that comes on, if the bearishness continues, then yeah, very likely ZEREBRO could be heading to 10 cents. But at the same time, this was a consolidation, right? This was a symmetrical, if you look very closely on the daily. On the 12 hour, it's a bit noisy, but on the daily, it looks like a symmetrical. So there is a potential for ZEREBRO to continue higher as well. So if ZEREBRO does a small little consolidation over here, then potentially we could be heading higher. And then you can start counting the waves as well. This could be a 1, down 2, up 3, right? There could be a 4 and a 5. Something like that, right? Of course, we would love to see consolidation first. Be careful of volume as well. The moment you start seeing huge volume, this is just the whales selling off. They are ZEREBRO coins. So yeah, you have to be very careful about rushing in when things are already so high. Right? You buy things when they're low, not when they're high. Or you wait for a proper consolidation first before the break. So that's our take. AI16Z. AI16Z. Okay, this is AI16Z. Anything for AI16Z? We're already at 2 billion market cap. 2 billion. Oh my god. We appeared here, pump, now we're up. Is it overvalued? Yes. Is this tradable? No, but it's overvalued. So if and when it drops, I suspect it's going to be a very deep drop. So hopefully we could see something on the smaller time frames, right? We might even AI16Z. This 16Z USDT perpetuals. It's tradable. We can short it. So we'll see how it goes first though. But if AI16Z starts turning bearish, right, we'll be expecting it to drop towards the noisy area over here. Yeah, again, less than 90 cents, sub 90 cents, I would say. So yeah, but I don't see the bearish reversal yet. We could still consolidate and head higher, but as it stands, yeah, no strong opinions. No strong opinions. ACT against USDT. Here we are for ACT. Anything for ACT? Yeah, again, zero support over here. If and when it drops, it will be brutal. But as it stands, yeah, nope. Right, this could be bullish though. It looks like a falling channel to me. Looks like a falling channel. But we don't see any clear higher quality chart pattern first. We would love it if this could just morph into something else, right? An ABCD kind of chart pattern. But I suspect ACT could be heading higher though. But I don't see the clear bullish continuation chart pattern yet. Right, we might get something like an inverse head shoulders break higher. Yes, no? We'll see, we'll see. Luna by virtuals. Okay, let's look at it from text. Luna by virtuals. Market cap 26 million. Good, this is good. Yes, sir. We kind of like what we see. Potentially, again, could be a squeeze here. Right, dropping down towards sub 6 cents, maybe. Again, just pull out the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, I would say around 618 to 702 would be great. I'm not saying we can't drop to 786 though, but I suspect that we'll be taking out these clusters of cells here. So this will bring us to between 618 and 702. Right. We still could drop past that though to 6 cents. Again, we're not entirely sure. We hoped to see a proper wave C, right? There's an A, B. Now we're kind of dropping lower, which is great. Hopefully we can identify the channel as it drops. Right. It's going to take several weeks though before it is mature enough for a potential bullish continuation chart pattern completion. Right. But as it stands, yeah, we're just going to have to wait and see how it goes every day. After you wake up, sip your coffee and take a look, see what's happening here. Are we dropping slowly or is this a very fast drop? Right, if it's a fast drop, then hey, boys and girls, this could be a descending. We could drop even further. So yeah, again, we'll have to see how it goes. We have to watch the price action. ELIZA, ELIZA. Here we are for ELIZA. All these AI memes. Again, I don't really like what I see. It looks like a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. Right, marginally higher highs. Not too good, not too good. So as it stands, it's not a long though. Not for me. Can we short it? Let me just check ELIZA. Oh, no, you can't. No, you can't. Because probably it's not enough volume. What's 18 million though? Anyway, moving on. VVAIFU. VVAIFU. Actually, it's supposed to be pronounced as waifu, but anyway, for Dasha, we are okay. I don't like this as well because this is a marginally higher high on the daily. If you switch to the 12-hour, again, it's very noisy, right? And you would say that hey, we're still within the confines of the consolidation. We could still hit higher. So moving back up to the daily, there's let's assume that this was the consolidation, right? We broke out of the all-time highs. If Dasha could just consolidate here, then yes, we could be heading higher, potentially towards about 40 cents, I would say. If not, and if we start dropping lower, then on the higher time frame at the dailies, we could be forming a head and shoulders to break lower, right, to this noisy area, right? How much lower could we go to? 0.003, something like that. So as it stands, yeah, you gotta watch the price action for VVAIFU. I mean, as long as BTC doesn't collapse, right, it has potential. Ali, artificial liquid intelligence. Ali is, what is it considered as a AI meme? Is it supposed to be a meme? I thought it's not a meme. Let's just refresh this. Anything for Ali? Okay, wait, hang on. Ali, you have to look at the one with 2 years of data. The one's on base. So base fees are cheaper, but it launched on Ethereum first. So you will have more data looking at Ali on Ethereum. So for Ali, huge accumulation. We absolutely thought that this was already it for Ali, right? A, B, C, D, E, that's it. Blast off. Nope. What happened? It dropped lower. Clear these classes of sells. We have not taken out the lows here first. I mean, these lows yet. 0.006. The moment you take out these lows, that's it. We will not consider Ali to be in a squeeze anymore, right? If Ali starts going back up, and ladies and gentlemen, you could see huge moves, right, towards our target at 95 cents. Yeah, $1. More likely than not, we should be heading past $1. So Ali is at 100 million market cap. $1 from 1 cent is bananas. It's absolute bananas. This could be a 100x. This could be 1 10B though. Ooh, we could be 10B. But this is AI. Ali is AI. So yeah, again, we'll see how it goes first though. As long as the lows here is not taken out, then yeah, there's a likelihood that we could see the blast off for Ali. Again, this might just stretch out all the way to 2026, right? It might not be this cycle. It might be the next cycle before we see the blast off. So yeah, there we go. All right, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.